But it only took like 4 months for my hair to lock up. What is up, all of you awesome people? It is TheMunchBowl here, and today I'm gonna be doing something a little different. As I could probably tell, or by the title or whatever, it's a vlog, but it's also a hair video. I want to start doing this now, like incorporating vlogs into my channel, but still doing hair. Cause really, this just became a hair channel without me really intending for it to be a hair channel. And don't get me wrong, I have no problem with doing hair videos, but like that's just, I'm just gonna be straight up real with y'all. When I first started my channel, I wanted to upload like music, cause like I was running out of space to upload music to SoundCloud. But then kind of ironically, I just stopped making music. I didn't completely stop making music. It's just like around this time, I'm just like not making music cause I'm doing YouTube. But I will be doing music too and stuff whenever I get the chance to do it, really. And by the way, if y'all don't know, yeah, I make music. But yeah, that's what my channel was going to be like. But then I just uploaded a hair video, then it got a bunch of views, and I was like, I was gonna upload another hair video. And trust me, it isn't all about the views, cause I really do like doing YouTube. But what I really like doing is vlogging, but I never really do it cause I don't really go anywhere besides school, and I don't think you're allowed to vlog in school. Or I could, but that's just weird. But I wanna like, start doing different things on this channel, but also since the core of this channel is like, well, the core of this channel is a god, but like it grew and like this is basically like a hair channel basically. And since it's a hair channel, I want to keep hair in it. I'm not just going to switch it up and all that's stupid. And plus I like doing it and it's pretty cool. I like it a lot. And yeah, I really like this process. Us as a channel, because it isn't just me, it's y'all as well. Us as a channel, we're almost at 1,000 subscribers. I remember wanting 100 subscribers and I surprisingly got that extremely easily. But it wasn't me who got it, it's God who got it. If y'all want to know more about that, just DM me, because like, I know some of y'all probably like, God, what's this dude talking about? But yeah, anyways, I'm about to just eat because I just got home from school. I put my bag and stuff down. I have this, like, if you want to see my outfit, this is my, yeah, I have this selfie stick thingy. But this is my outfit. Hopefully y'all can see this. Yeah, it ain't, oh snap. It isn't anything too special, too crazy. I'm not really that flashy of a person. Oh yeah, y'all may be looking at my hair like, hey, that's kind of a cool hairstyle. My hair just kind of turned out this way because it was kind of lopsided or whatever. And I was like, you know what, I'm just going to go to school like this. And yeah, I'm about to just put my jacket in here and take these glasses off because I kind of don't like wearing them. I think I'm going to do a Q&A in this video. And I know I'm just walking around my house, but I mean, I have to vlog something. But if I don't know, I'm kind of into filmmaking. I just got into it like, not even a year ago, like just now really. Like about, I would say like 8 months ago, I got into filmmaking. And I haven't really done much because I don't have a camera yet, but I'm saving up for a camera. And I got $0 saved up, but I'm already supplied with it, so it's all good. I'm going to have it in no time. Trust me, one day I was just going to see a video. Whoa, hold up, he got when you get a camera, y'all gonna see the video. It's going to look crispy, trust me. And these are some brownies that my grandma made, yeah. Pretty good. And it's also my sister's birthday today. I don't know what we're doing for her birthday. I actually kind of forgot. But it's all good. I didn't get her anything. Anyways, yeah, I should get her something. But yeah, I'm about to eat something and also use the restroom because I have to use the restroom. I have to wash my hands too because people be freaking out with this coronavirus thing and I don't want to, yeah. Washing my hands. Oh, wow. I moved this all the way up and almost busted that light. Yo, that would have been so... I gotta watch what I'm doing. Yeah, my day at school went pretty well. Pretty ordinary, actually. Not much went on. It's just routine. I'm about to eat something. I'm trying not to make this, like, extremely long. But what am I going to eat? I think I'm going to eat some chicken tenders and this amazing chicken and noodles that my mom made. But yeah, I'll see y'all when I'm actually about to actually do something. But see y'all when I get there, or what I'm doing, whatever. Actually, I thought y'all would like to see this. Trust me, always put a paper towel over your stuff, or else you have some blasted mess in your microwave. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing a Q&A. I got my stuff set up right here, and you know what I'm saying? There it is. There's the light that I'm gonna be using, because yeah, it looks nice like that. But yeah, I'm not doing it quite yet. I'm gonna be doing a kind of mukbang type Q&A. I actually didn't plan that. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing a mukbang. But yeah, see y'all when I'm at the dinner table with y'all. Yeah. Okay. Alright, what is up? I have this light shining right here, this light shining right here. Y'all should see what I have going on just to get this shot right here. But anyways, without further ado, let's get into the Q&A. I got my other phone right here. I'm just letting it power up real quick. Here's my meal if y'all care to see. Yummy, yummy, yummy. My tummy. But yeah, anyways, you already know I have to pray before I eat. Dude, please let the truth nourish me. Amen. All right, let's get into this video. Let's just go to the comments real quick and see what questions were asked. So the first question we got is from V-Lone. He asked, bruh, my sides and back are too long compared to my front. Is there any way I can shorten them a little? Yeah, so I don't know if y'all really noticed, but my dreadlocks actually do the same thing. Like, my sides are a little bit longer than the front. Like, I think my sides go all the way down to my neck, but the front goes all the way down to my lip. And that's only because, like, you see, this is a high top fade, but the dreadlocks are lower. So, like, where this dreadlock starts is way lower than, you know, this. Because this actually started on my hairline. This is starting lower. So, that's why these appear to be longer, but they're not actually longer. So, I don't know if that's what you're going through, but that's how it is for me. But if you feel, like, uncomfortable about that or something, then you can always just, you know, trim your dreadlocks and get them all the same length. Which, for me, I kind of want my dreadlocks that way. But at the same time, it's like, I'm good. I'm not going to cut my dreadlocks. So, that's cool. So, yeah, that's just how it is. And this is good, too. Woo! Alright, Saquon Studivant. I have no idea if I said that correctly. How long did you leave your dye in there when you dyed your hair? So he's talking about my bleach when I bleached my hair. I left the bleach in for an hour and I used foil to make the process go way faster. I wrapped my head in foil. So I left it in for an hour, but it wasn't as light as I would have liked it to be. So I did a second coat. So I washed out the first coat after an hour. Then I put on a second coat and left that in for another hour with the foil and everything as well. Then I took that off, washed it off, and basically it was like a 2-hour process. So yeah, I mean, really it was like a 5-hour process. Somehow it took 5 hours, even though the whole process was like 2 hours. I don't know. Yeah, basically I left both coats in for an hour, and that's how I got my lightness. So yeah. All Around Booker asked me, did you start with 2-strand twist? I did not start my hair with 2-strand twist. I started my dreads with sponge rub. And it took a little while. My head went through I would consider it ugly stage, but at the moment I didn't consider it ugly stage. I thought it looked good, but I look back and I'm just like, but yeah, I got my dreads from sponge rub, but they started laying down when I started retwisting them and everything. So that's how I started my dreadlocks. Took about a year for them to get like this, but only took like 4 months for my hair to lock up. I need some water. All right, Vic asked me, which dye did I use? The bleach that I used was called, what was it called? It was Ultra Bond bleach, and some lady at this hair place, I don't know why I said some lady, I didn't mean to just be disrespectful, but this woman, this woman at this hair place, she told me, oh, this works really, really, really well. And I'm like, okay, I guess I'll get it. And I used the 30 developer. It's your boy Trey asked me, how long does it usually take for dreads to lock? How long does it take for dreads to lock up? It took me about like 4 months for my hair to be comfortably locked up. And what I mean by that is I could rub my hair around my head and like my dreads won't come out and all that stuff. But for them to like, I guess, get like really mature and like fully locked up to where you can be really rough for your hair is about a year. And at that point, you're solid. You don't have to worry about any dreads unraveling or anything like that. All right, Elijah H. He said he's a new subscriber. Thank you for subscribing. And he asked, what's your favorite thing to do in your free time? People ask me this at school because I stopped playing the game and like all my friends were like, what do you do now? And I'm like, I don't really know. Like, I was trying to think back and I'm like, what do I do? But really, I just watch a lot of YouTube. Really, that's all I do. I edit videos. That's what I'm busy with now. And I also really like to watch sermons on YouTube and all that type of stuff. Yeah, so really that just takes up most of my time. On the weekends, I don't really do anything because it's like winter. But usually I would hang out with my friend. He knows who he is if he's watching this video. But yeah, I'll hang out with my friend sometimes, and yeah, that's really all. Nothing too extreme going on, you know. David Black asked me, what month did your dreads start to hang? I don't really know. My dreads never really hanged until like I actually retwisted them, which I believe they were able to hang, but the thing is, I will like see my hair was locking up like this because I had my hair in a ponytail all the time, and it formed up like that. So really, I would say around like, really it starts to fall once your hair gains weight, basically. So you can't really tell what time, it just matters how long or how heavy your hair is. But if you want your hair to lay down, you just need to retwist it and it'll pretty much lay down. Now on Instagram, youngboy1876 said, how can I get dreads with 2-strand twists? I didn't start out this way, but I'm pretty sure I know how 2-strand twists lock up. Basically, you do 2-strand twists and you leave those 2-strand twists. And so like, here's the thing. If you want your 2-strand twists to lock up like together, like they're twisted together like this, if you want them to lock up combined, then all you need to do from that point is wash your hair and make sure they don't unravel. And if they do unravel, just redo the 2-strand twist. But if you want your dreads to be skinnier, then you could do a 2-strand twist, leave that in for about maybe a week or something. I would say even use products so your hair can hold better. So like use a gel or something, or even just twist it while it's damp. But then after like 2 weeks or something, if you want your dreads to be skinnier or something, you could do a twist out. So untwist the 2-strand twist, and you just wash your hair from there. And you can also just maintain them by just, you know, twisting some of them while you're at school, if you're in school or something, or just in your free time, just, you know, twist them a little bit, and it will lock up over time. And that's how my dreads locked up, even though I didn't do 2-strand twists. And he actually sent me some pictures, but I think I'm going to do this in the dreadlock review video, so you have to stay tuned to that. But yeah, wow, this is good. Wow, it was crooked. It's not that big of a deal though. Got these chicken too. But yeah. All right, my mom just called me. She's outside, and I have to finish eating this because we're gonna have my sister's birthday party. She's turning 22. So yeah. Anyways, I thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for sending y'all's questions. I really like getting the community involved in the channel and everything like that. And I just like, you know, kind of giving back with, you know, what I can actually give back. And also thank you so much for the growth on this channel. Like, it's been growing a lot. And I'm just, you know, forever grateful for that. And I know who grows this channel and everything. So, yeah. All glory to God for everything in this channel. It's not me, it's him. And, you know, that's how it goes. But anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please make sure I like it. And if y'all want to see more videos from me in the future, please make sure I subscribe and turn on post notifications so y'all never miss out on another video from me. With that being said, I love you all, and I'll see you all in the next video.